Hey, welcome back. I'm Andy O'Brien. This is Heart-Centered Persuasion. Hit the subscribe button. We got lots of videos coming your way on this YouTube channel. So I'd love to have you along for the ride. Today, we're going to talk about emotion in your copy and generating it the right way, and not just writing from a place of urgency and more from a place of empathy. So we're going to generate some emotion today. And by that, we're going to do by that, I mean, we're going to do some pain points and some pleasure points, and I'm going to give you some examples of both. All right, so here are some pain points for you, pain words. Now, you'd want to use these in the beginning of your sales presentation, whether it's a sales page or your home page on your website or an opt-in page, or even in emails. Email promotions, or in your advertising. Basically, whatever your target market is going through, and hopefully by now you know what they're going through, these are some words that can help you to tap into the pain points that they're dealing with. And when you use these words, obviously you're not going to just use those words the way they are. You're going to have to work them into a paragraph or two, or some bullet points, because you're going to want to tap into what they're really feeling. Why are they reading what they're reading right now from you? Why did they come to your website? Why are they interested in what you have to offer? And it's because they are experiencing some type of pain. That's the emotion behind it. That's what drove them to look for a solution from you. All right, so you're going to want to reiterate this stuff, all this pain that they're dealing with. So you don't want to use all of these, of course, but hopefully, you can take note of this. And I'll put these are actually in my Persuasion Protocol program that you can purchase on the right-hand side of this screen. There's a link to that. But these just give you a few examples. Now, let's take a look at some pleasure points. Now, these are going to be the end result of them working with you. So this is why they want to get their credit card out and give you their money, because they want to experience these things. They're missing these pleasurable emotions right now in their lives. They want you to be the conduit to achieve this type of pleasure. So you want to talk about this, similar to how you talked about the pain points, but get into it a little more on your sales page, or in your emails, or in your ads. Really drive deep into these emotions, and not just by saying these words. You want them to really experience these vicariously through what you're talking about, through your product. They want to experience it so badly that they will pay any amount of money to work with you. All right. So think about these pleasure words and the pain words. And again, this is just the beginning. There's so much emotion that you need to work with. And one way you can do that on your website is by your testimonials. And in a future video, a future episode on here, I'm going to get into how to write testimonials the best way possible. And you're going to show other people how to write them for you, okay? Or I'm going to show you how to even ghostwrite testimonials for people you've worked with already, because most people don't have the time to write testimonials for you. Otherwise, they'd be writing them all day long for people if they had the time. But if you have clients that are happy with what you've done for them, and they don't have time to write a testimonial, in the next video, or in a video down the road, I'm going to show you how to write them the best way, because testimonials are a gold mine for emotion, and emotion is what drives sales. Thanks for coming, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and tell everybody that you know about the Heart-Centered Persuasion YouTube channel. I'm Andy O'Brien. Have a great day.